this is a nature kit, and today we're going to make a teepee.
Oh, you want to explain, Mommy?
It looks like it's square.
It looks beautiful.
It'll work, right?
Yeah.
Now we got to put 2 on each side. Nice soft ground to work with here. Perfect weather, or perfect conditions. Now you go down there and push it easier. There you go. Push it easier. Harder. Oh wait, this one's harder than it. Okay, that's good. Alright, Gracie, up in here. Well, come down here. You have better pull from here. You're staying off right here. Push. Oh, yeah, that one's going. That one going already? Hold on, wait, we gotta go out first so we get it. Oh no, that one's already in. I think we're good.
Wait, no, wait.
Alright, we're good. We're getting there. It's getting pretty steady.
No!
Huh?
Put in?
Oh, that was one of our original ones. Do this all around. Can someone hold this so that...
That'd be a good one.
Oh, smaller. Well, we don't need much. Clothespins?
Chocolate.
Yeah, this is the inside of the teepee. Teepees were usually made by Indians, and the covering was made by buffalo skin, and this part was made by wood also, but they were usually taller in the air, like 25 feet. we use ours for just like tarps because there's not buffalo around here and. That's all for today. Bye.